Your search results offer a number of helpful features. Use the pin icon to save the item to a list for future reference. You can access it by clicking the pin icon in the top right hand of the screen. Information such as title, author, and publication date can generally be found in this area. Links in the Send To area can assist you in exporting the citation to a citation manager such as RefWorks, finding the citation for the item itself in a variety of formats, emailing the citation, finding the permalink for the item, printing the record. You may be required to sign in with your SJSU credentials to facilitate full access to the material.